Hi, today I'm going to show you how to restore individual files or folders from a full backup on Windows operating system. Before we start, please make sure your external hard drive is connected to the system if it has got your backup files or folders. Now let's get started. Click on Start menu and type Control Panel. Select Control Panel from the search results and click System and Security. Then click Backup and Restore Windows 7. Locate to Restore section and click Restore My Files. In Restore Files wizard, click Search to type the name of the files or folders you are looking for, or click Browse for Files or Browse for Folders to navigate through your backup and find what you need. For now, let's click Browse for Folders. So here is my backup. I will choose one folder. Let's choose Administrator. Click Add Folder. So after selecting files or folders you want to restore, then click Next. Now choose where you want to restore the files, either in the original location, or you could specify a folder to avoid overwriting existing files. Uh, Once you have chosen the location, click Restore. So in this copy file dialog box, click Copy and Replace, and make sure you enable do this for all conflicts, and click Copy and Replace. The process will begin and the progress will be displayed. Your files have been restored, and that's it. You have successfully restored individual files or folders from your full backup. And keeping regular backups ensures your data is safe and recoverable whenever you need it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips.